Picture this, a factory where logistics and automation seamlessly blend, optimizing operations. A recent paper in Applied Science explores this very concept. Researchers employed reinforcement learning, or RL, within factory simulation to enhance storage devices for Industry 4.0 and digital twin applications. Industry 4.0, a term denoting the integration of automation, data exchange, and the Internet of Things, is revolutionizing manufacturing efficiency. Meanwhile, digital twins, which mirror real-world processes, are becoming increasingly prevalent. Now, this study breaks new ground, introducing a unique reward signal calculation approach. This method factors in task objectives and system traits, providing more authentic and impactful rewards. The validation of this approach, using a Stalker simulation model, underlines the power of RL in automating and optimizing complex logistics systems. But it doesn't stop there. The study also presents a new agent creation method using proximal policy optimization, delivering an effectiveness spectrum of 30 to 100%. This expands the use of RL across multiple domains. In essence, the marriage of factory automation and logistics optimization holds the key to enhancing operational efficiency. As we delve deeper into the era of Industry 4.0, the use of RL within factory simulations to refine logistics processes becomes even more crucial. The result, a significant boost in efficiency and a substantial reduction in costs.